Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to join eBay Live selling. Joining eBay Live is pretty simple, but it's also one of those features that feels like it's hiding behind a You're Almost There button. First, make sure you're signed into your eBay account through the app or website because you can interact with live events while browsing as a guest who's just window shopping emotionally. Once logged in, head over to the search bar and type eBay Live or look for live shopping banners on the homepage if they're available in your region. When you open it, you'll see the upcoming or ongoing live selling events where sellers showcase products in real time. You can tap into any live stream to watch, ask questions, or even buy items instantly while the seller is presenting them. In some cases, you may need to register or be in a supported region since access can vary depending on availability. Once you're in, it works like a mix of shopping and live stream entertainment, except instead of just watching, you might accidentally end up buying something you didn't know you needed 5 minutes ago. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.